I'm Sophia Bird. I use she, her pronouns, and I am a fourth year studying global studies and Chinese language with a minor in East Asian studies. I did my capstone year in Taipei, Taiwan from spring 2022 to winter 2023. I learned a lot of things, not only learned more colloquial Chinese and also more professional Chinese in my classes, but also cultural things like food and culture, hanging out with Taiwanese locals and just having experiences all over the country. We did a travel experience right when I first arrived, and that was probably my favorite because we got to see a lot of the country right at the beginning. We could later base our own travels and experiences off of that, and additionally we of course have the internship period, which gives us a look into Taiwanese professional life. Right now, I am back at the UO finishing up my global studies major and my honors thesis, and hopefully I'll be done by next term. Currently, still up in the air, but I do want to keep this global kind of intercultural focus, so maybe a graduate degree in global studies or something like that. I definitely want to keep traveling. I think Capstone gave me a lot of experience with, changing plans, being flexible in your trajectory. So in the future, I can kind of switch it up and not be so stressed about it. I would say go for it. It's a wonderful experience, and I don't think there's really any other study abroad program that encapsulates what Capstone is. So, take that opportunity and just go for it.